How are you, boy?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. So today is Saturday. What day is today?
Culture.
What day is today?
I think it is Saturday.
Saturday. Okay, what day is tomorrow?
Sunday.
Okay, what day was yesterday?
It was Friday.
Okay, that's good. Okay, today I want to learn and teach kids and see whether you know or not. Can you make the second form of the? Can you make the interrogative of the past tense?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, first you tell us how we can make the interrogative of the past tense.
How can you? Okay. First, we put it in front of the sentence.
Very good.
Then we change second form of the word back to the first form.
That's good. Okay, here we go. We're going.
Make it.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. Okay. You need to just make the sentences from the words
Okay.
and into just present tense,
Okay.
and then you have to change into past tense,
Okay.
and then make its interrogative.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. The word is right.
Right.
Hmm.
I write a letter to my friend.
Okay. Make it past tense.
I wrote a letter to my friend.
Okay. What is the interrogative of this sentence? Okay.
Interrogative. Okay. Did I write a letter to my friend?
Okay. Be hurry. Okay. Make fast, and this is like a rapid fire. Okay. You did good job. Okay. Bring.
I bring a milk pack. I bring a cow from the farm.
I bring a cow from the farm. Okay.
I brought the cow from the farm.
Past tense. Okay. Interrogative.
Did I bring a cow from the farm?
Very good. Fight.
I fight with my enemy.
Past tense.
I fought with my enemy.
Okay. Interrogative of the past.
Okay. Did I fight with my enemy?
Very good. Make.
I made a milkshake
Very good.
for my little brother.
For your.
Little brother.
Okay. Do you have any little brother?
Oh man, I'm not saying about my brother.
What about?
I'm saying that it is a sentence, man.
It's a sentence, only sentence. I thought it's really you got this little brother. Okay, sorry. Okay, make it past tense.
Past tense.
Yes.
Okay. I made a milkshake for my little brother.
Very good.
Little brother.
Finish. The word is finished.
Then
No, just make sentence of present tense and then past tense. Like you were making here. Go on. We got no time.
finish.
Okay.
Okay. I finished my breakfast in 5 minutes.
Okay. Past
I
tense
finished my breakfast in 5 minutes.
and interrogative.
Did I finish my breakfast in 5 minutes?
Very good. Okay. Clean.
I cleaned my house in 1 minute.
Okay. Past tense.
I cleaned my house in 1 minute.
Okay, very good. And interrogative.
Okay. Did I clean my house in 1 minute?
Very good. Okay, and the other word is fly.
The birds fly in the air.
Very good. Past tense.
Birds flew in the air.
Sit properly. Birds flew in the air. Very good. Okay, make
Did birds flew in the air?
Very good. And the word is go.
Good. That's the last.
No, few words are remaining. Okay, come on.
I go to the McDonald's.
Okay.
I went to McDonald's.
Past tense. Very good. And the interrogative past.
Interrogative past. Okay. Did I go to the McDonald's?
Very good. And the see. Word is see.
I see a lion. I see a lion in the zoo. I saw a lion in the zoo.
Okay.
Did I see a lion in the zoo?
Very good. Very good. Gentleman, you're doing good. Wake up.
Oh, that's the last.
Hmm.
Wake up. Okay, man. I wake up in the early morning.
Okay.
I woke up in the early morning.
Okay, past tense. And then interrogative past.
Did I wake up in the early morning?
Slow.
Did I wake up in the early morning?
Or slow.
Did I wake up in the early morning?
Slow.
Did I wake up in the early morning?
Very good. Okay, the word is drink.
Drink? Okay. I drink coffee.
Do you drink the coffee? You're a little boy.
When I'm 15 years old, then I drink a coffee.
You'll drink the coffee.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, make the sentence quickly.
From the past. Okay.
Make the past sentence up there.
Okay.
No, past. You make the past tense of this.
Okay.
What was the sentence?
Drank.
Yes.
When
Okay, leave it. Leave it. Huh?
when I'm 15 years old, then
You're not making good. It's okay. One mistake is allowed.
okay.
Okay. The last word is cook.
We cooked a pizza.
Okay, past tense.
We cooked a pizza.
Okay, here we go. This is the end of the video. You did good job, gentlemen.
There was one mistake.
There was much. It's okay. Being a human is
I'm telling you now.
to err is being a human. Okay, इंसान से ही गलती होती है. Okay. You need to just say bye and please subscribe my channel and show your kids. Okay, and suggest them what should they do.
There should be more red one.
No. For this video, what should they do? First, they subscribe. You just
First, they should subscribe my channel and they should also like my videos.
okay. And how can
Study good.
they should study good? So kids should see your why kids should see your all videos of this channel.
Because they are learning things in my channel.
Many learning things.
And the subscriber button is like ding.
Okay, goodbye. Say you bye.
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 This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me,